Hey, Aaron at Redbird Speed. I want to talk a little bit about what brakes you can run on your G-body. So you can see the shock mount here. Let's say you're running either a traditional shock or a coilover, and you're coming off this mount right here. If you try to mount a brake kit with a parking brake mechanism, that's going to shoot that parking brake cable right out into the shock. It's not going to work. So when you're running a G-body, you're going to have to do one of a couple things. You're either going to have to run a set of drums where you can see down here underneath the bottom, your parking brake cable shoots out the bottom, so there's no cable to hit the caliper up top. You can run a metric caliper without a parking brake mechanism. That is one thing you could do, but whenever you have that mechanical mechanism sticking out here, it's going to hit the parking brake cable. So that's one thing you need to be aware of. Another brake kit that we use a lot, this is actually a C10 rear, but you can see on the bottom where your parking brake cable hooks up down here. So you got the cable coming in, hooks up on the bottom here. So up top, clear. You're all clear for your shock coming through. So if you have any questions about that, what brakes can I use, what can I get by with, what can I not, get a hold of us. That's what we're here for. So 260-301-2424. You can get us at redbirdspeed.com. Drop us a link, leave a comment below. Whatever works for you. Probably best just to give us a call. But hey, we appreciate you watching today. Be sure to like and subscribe for content like this. Try to drop a little bit of knowledge, so you have any questions, let us know.